Hey everybody! So after my video that I posted 2 days ago, everyone was asking how I had my hair. It's kind of like my own variation of a rope braid, and I started doing this when I did a rope braid backwards. So I figured out how to get it to sit on top of my head rather than like underneath my hair. It's kind of the same thing as like the French braid, Dutch braid thing, so this is like a Dutch rope braid. Yeah, we'll call it that because I don't have a name for it. It is technically a rope braid from here down, but on the top it's like a backwards rope braid. So I'm gonna do a sped up tutorial. This is super fast. Both sides took me 6 minutes and I was going a little slower so you guys could really see what I was doing. The only thing that took really a little bit longer was fluffing the braid out, and I even added that at the very end. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe to the page and like the video so I can continue to make more and more videos, and that way I know what you guys like or what you would rather not, me do. So I appreciate all the support I've gotten from everybody, and yeah, let me know if you like the video.
Okay, we're going to start by taking out the bun we slept in last night and getting the hair bow stuck. And shake it all out and rip half your hair out. It's fine. It'll blend in at the end. And comb out all the tangles and listen to how dry the hair is at the end because you really need a haircut. We are going to put in a leave-in conditioner just to help those ends out a little bit. And dry shampoo on the root so your hair doesn't look like you haven't washed it in 3 days, even if you haven't washed it in 3 days, because, no one else needs to know that. Okay, so we're going to part our hair directly down the middle, or you don't have to, but that's what I did. And we're going to brush it some more, because apparently my hair was super tangly that day. Oh, nope, we're actually going to pull that side up. Okay, and we're going to take a section on this side after we wet the front, and then brush it in some more. Now we're going to take a section and split it in half. You only need 2 sections for this. When you take both sections, you're going to spin both of them backwards, like towards the back of your hair. And you don't have to spin it all the way down the hair shaft. I think a lot of people do that when they rope braid, but that's just a waste of time. So just spin like 2 or 3 inches, and then you're going to take the back piece and go over the front piece. Add hair to both sides, spin it backwards a couple inches, and put the back piece over the front piece. You're going to continue to do this until you don't have any more hair left on the sides to add in, and then after that you're going to continue to spin backwards and then twist the back over the front all the way down the hair shaft. And you can go a little faster than what I'm going. I'm just trying to get it so that when I speed it up you guys can still see what I'm doing. So just adding hair to the front and back. It does not have to be perfect because I like to fluff this up a good bit. And once you fluff it up, it doesn't really matter if you take like crisp, clean sections. If you want that look though, go ahead and feel free to take very clean sections with a comb. As you go down, it's going to be a lot easier than the top part because you're not having to add in the hair. Just make sure you're spinning it the correct way, because if you start twisting forward, it's not going to have that separation and you're just going to have one big clump of hair. Okay, so we're going to take the next side down and do the exact same thing. Okay, and to fluff the braid up, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this rubber band, and we're going to start pulling loosely on one side. Obviously, it's not a 3-strand braid where you have to pull both sides evenly. The only thing you might want to do is hold the other side of the twist so you can actually get a tension. Otherwise, sometimes it'll just pull the rubber band tighter and kind of make the braid like kinked up at the end. So what I'm doing is I'm just fluffing each little section individually and pulling it. You don't have to worry about pulling it too hard. It's probably not going to come out unless you have a ton of layers, and if you do have a lot of layers, I'm going to show you how to get the little pieces that flip out to lay in The easiest way to do it, I think, is to take a bobby pin and grab the part that flipped out. So right here you can see this little section flipped out on me. I'm going to put the bobby pin in it, twist it, and then stick it straight into the braid going up towards the top of the hair. What that does is it hides the bobby pin, and that way you don't have to worry about seeing it. Then I'm just going to spray this texture spray all over and fluff it up a little bit more, and then finish with a finishing spray.
Okay, so I fluffed this side off camera, but as you can see, this is just a super easy, like big romantic braid, and it's so fast. Like, it is so fast. I've done these for weddings. You can put flowers in them, chains in them. It is so versatile. You can literally do whatever with this braid that you can a French braid. So if you cannot French braid, do this because it looks just as good and it's really fast. So it's just 2 strands the whole time, so you're just dealing with less hair. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought about this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I tried to shorten it. I know my last couple videos have gotten extremely long, and I'm trying to work on it. So leave me a comment, subscribe to the page, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!